Merry Christmas!
And happy holidays to all of you!
And we are going to show you one of the tools to make it a really Merry Christmas.
It's warm, it's sweet, it's excellent.
It's mulled wine, Gløgg, Glühwein, whatever you want to call it.
Stay tuned and enjoy! Cheers!
Cheers! And for this, we have chosen a very nice Syrah from one of our favorite vineyards down in Peloponnese. And you want to go in that direction with grapes. You want to go Zinfandel, Syrah. Don't go with a milder like a Cabernet or a Merlot is risky because that can be in both ends of the scale. But we're going to make our own concentrate here, which will walk in circles around anything you can buy in a store. So for this, we start with 150 grams of sugar. The recipe actually calls for 200, but we are dialing down the sweetness a little bit. If you want it sweeter, add an extra 50 grams of sugar.
We are sweet on our own.
Yeah, okay, let's go with that. Actually, I'll go with 2 sticks of cinnamon because they're quite short. And then we're going with 6 cloves. There we are, 6 cloves. And then star anise, and you need this. This smells so fantastic. I mean, it's the best. So 6 of those, 4, 5, 6, that was half, so that goes also. And then we're going to grate some nutmeg. And here, be careful, don't overdo it. 12, 14 strokes like this, because we're also going to just dust a little bit on top afterwards. So till you can see a bit of a dusting down there, then that's good. And then we're going to go with some orange peel from our own orchard, actually. So we're going to take a couple of peels here, just like this. And I'll show you a little trick to that. You take it and then you twist it over, so you open the essential oils. That will give you some nice flavor here. We're going to do the same with the lemon. We are though not using the juice of the lemon, that we will only do. They are a little bit smaller, so let me make 3. There we are. Twist them over, like that. Oh, it already smells good with the oils from the citrus. Smells very nice.
It gives that freshness.
Yeah, it does. And then the orange we're going to juice. So out with the juicer. Beautiful. And that goes straight in. That's nice. And then we are going in with some vanilla extract. If you have a fresh pot of vanilla, you can use 1 pot, but we're going to go with extract today, and we need 15 milliliter of this. That's the equivalent of 1 vanilla pot, so in that goes. And off with that. And the last thing we're going to do, to spice it up a little bit, we're going to take a couple of slices of ginger. This is optional. You can decide whether you want that or not. That's up to you. Just take off the skin here quickly. And then comes our red wine. We are going in with half a bottle of red wine, and I want to measure it because I want to be relatively precise. Exactly. So 350 milliliter of red wine. There we are. And that goes in. And now we're going to bring this to a simmer on medium heat. And when it starts simmering and we have dissolved the sugar, then we'll bring it up to a boil. I'll show you what we're going to end up with here. And when it comes up to a simmer and everything smells like Yuletide around you here, then we're going to crank up the temperature here to a rigorous boil. And then we want it to reduce to a thick syrup. And then I'll show you how we make the rest. I boiled this for about 10 minutes and then I switched it off so I can show you what viscosity we are looking for here. So when you see we have like a thick syrup kind of consistency, and you can see when you cover the spoon here, how it covers the back side of the spoon. That's what you want from your concentrate. You don't want to take it further than this because then you risk burning things. But now this concentrate is infused with the flavors of all our spices. So now we put it back on our stove and we add the rest of the wine, 1.5 bottle, right on top of this. There we are. And now we want to warm this up on, let's say, medium-low. And then we use our thermometer to keep an eye on it. We want this to come up to a slight simmer, 55, 58 degrees, and keep it there for about 5 minutes. And then I'll show you the last step. So we are up to 58 degrees now. And now we're going to keep it here 3 to 4 minutes, and then we are ready to serve. Almost. And the almost is that we are going to spike this with our favorite dark rum from Ron Zacapa, which is an excellent dark rum from Guatemala, actually.
Remember, we tried our first time in the Hamptons. It was
True.
fantastic rum.
That was the Hamptons, yeah, true. So I'm gonna go in with, let's say 100 milliliter, maybe 110. Don't be stingy with this, it's good. So we add that straight to our pot. Give it a quick stir. Then we take, it's best in a see-through mug. It looks the best. And we take an orange peel and we twist it again so the oils come out. And we're going to rub the edge of the glass with that. So you get that little orange oil flavor there. We leave it for decoration here. And my ladle. And then we take some of our beautiful, beautiful mulled wine here. Oh, it smells fantastic. With a star anise for decoration also. There we go. Onto here. And final touches. Slice of lemon in half. We dump that in. Orange. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, okay. Sometimes I'm enthusiastic when it comes to mulled wine. A little bit of orange here on the side. A couple of star anise for decoration. And there we have it. Perfect mulled wine that your guests, they're gonna go all in and they will get a little bit tipsy.
Tipsy and happy.
True. Well, I made you a glass also, so come over here for a taste.
I won't say no to that invitation.
It smells fantastic.
Yeah, it does, that's for sure.
Cheers,
baby. This is so much better than anything I have tried in Christmas markets up in Switzerland, Austria, Scandinavia.
This is absolutely, it's absolutely fantastic. This can bring out the holiday spirit in the Grinch himself.
Enjoy!